Hey, what's up, everybody? This message is for the sixth, seventh, and eighth grade. Just wanted to present to you some new office hours that deal with my email specifically. So I've noticed that some people are waiting to start their assignments, and I don't get emails until like 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Sometimes I'm getting emails at like 2:30 in the morning. Just want to let you guys know, in the spirit of full transparency, from now on, I am going to keep a window open in terms of emails between the start of the day at 9 o'clock in the morning and 4:30 p.m. every single day. So from 9 a.m. till 4:30 p.m., I will be available to answer any emails pretty much on the spot. I'll have my phone, I'll have my computer. Any questions that you have, I will be checking that probably like every 10 minutes, just refreshing, seeing if there are any issues out there. For those of you that are emailing me after that 4:30 p.m. time, your email is not going to get a response until the following day, all right, 9 a.m. when I open up my email back. I think it's good for us to all prioritize everything that's going on. So for me, my work day is going to be ending at that 4:30 time, and I'm going to be focusing on the things that I need to do around the house, spending time with my wife, just getting things done around the house that I need to, and just pretty much living life outside of the workspace. And I recommend that you guys do that as well. Prioritize your work. When things are posted, start working on them. So that way, if you do run into a problem, you're able to email me or any other teacher and be able to get a response somewhat quickly. For people that procrastinate and start the work a little bit later on in the day, that's fine. It's all your choice on how you want to approach the work that you face on a daily basis. But just know that if you're not making the work a priority and you're putting that off later on into the day for whatever reasons, you should not expect that sense of urgency from your teachers as well, because you have decided to put something off for whatever reason. If you feel like you work better in the afternoon, that's fine. Just know that in terms of my classes, I will not be available by email after 4:30 p.m. If you send me an email at 4:32, that email is going to be responded to at 9 a.m. the following day. So just be aware of that when it comes to planning what classes you're doing and when you're doing them. Because if I post something on Wednesday and you don't start it until Thursday evening, and you come across a problem or a question that you have, and you email me at 6 p.m., I'm not going to answer it until the following day when it's actually due. All right. So, yes, this is going to put pressure on you to get started on your assignments earlier. That's done on purpose. I am not going to feel pressured to answer an email at 10 p.m. the day before something's due because somebody decided to not do it when it was posted. All right. Or not at least take a little bit more of a proactive approach. So that is my message for you today. I will not be answering emails after 4:30 p.m. until the following day at 9 a.m. So just so you guys are aware of that. So we're all on the same page. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and shoot me an email again within those time frames between 9 and 4:30. If you do have a problem, email me, even if it's past that time, and I will get to it the next day. But just so you're aware, I am not going to frantically check my email in order to help cover somebody's question that decided to not make that assignment a priority. All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Looking forward to this third week of distance learning. And I hope you all stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face. Take it easy, guys.